to hard reset a Samsung Galaxy A57 by using recovery mode, first of all you will need cable that is connected into your PC, and you have to of course turn on PC. So I just did it right now, and we have to connect this cable into our Samsung A57. Now what we have to do, we have to take a look on the right side when we got those buttons, and we have to use them. So first of all we have to click these two buttons like that. We have to wait until the screen on our A57 goes black, and then while holding the power button we have to switch for the volume up button, and when the Samsung logo turns on we have to release that power button. And now as you can see we just successfully enter for that recovery mode, so we have to use volume buttons to scroll up and down. So go for wipe data factory reset, click on that button, click on the factory data reset, click on the power button to confirm, and now just wait. Now the reset is complete, so we have to go for reboot system now with the power button. Make sure that your PC and cable are still connected, and now our Galaxy A57 will turn on with the first setup screen. Thank you so much for watching this video.